What's up, guys? Just want to do a quick video on this one customer's Jeep. Comes in quite often and it's kind of one of my favorites. Just a standard, you know, JK, nothing special. The only difference is he uses it. Rockers are bashed in, axles, skid plates are all used. Both sides folded all the way up. Kind of give you a rundown of some of the things that we added. So he already has a Rubicon Express radius arm, long arm. Already had the Dynatrac axles and everything. Reed knuckles, upgraded steering. But what we did is added Hydro Assist. This is actually our second time doing it. The first time we used the factory Dynatrac raised track bar bracket, which is 3/16. With the wheeling that he does, he actually ripped the bracket in half. You know, all the welds that we put on, everything stayed great, but the actual bracket itself ripped right in half. Just couldn't handle the extra strength of this and off-road abuse, kind of thing like that. So we went ahead and did an Artec raised mount, added some gussets. See if I can get in there. Add some gussets and everything, reinforced it everywhere on the inside of the 1/4 inch, all the way around. So this is the Redneck Ram Hydro Assist kit that he brought us. Originally we had a tie rod clamp, but now that we have this guy, which the new bracket, which is sitting closer, I'm not able to fit it on there without hitting the diff because it's raised steering, and it's actually like a 1.75 inch tie rod, so it puts everything too close to the actual differential. So we went ahead and did a weld on to the tie rod itself, gusseted it, boxed them in together. But it's just super cool because he actually uses it. Some ATX bead locks, Pitbull tires, Poison Spider corners, Poison Spider flares, crawler concept, front bumper, Warn winch. And it drives awesome on the road, better than most Jeeps, that all the newer ones that we've driven. So I always thought that was kind of cool. All right, guys, see you next video.